She can help because she's a smart girl, isn't she? It means I'm sure, and I know that you too, you know that she's smart. She's a smart girl.
Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu gana action.
Hello there, this is ACTIONCOLLEGE and I'm your teacher Vincent. So today the lesson that we have today is the use of question tags or just question tags in English. Alright, so you might not know that we just need question tags in our discussions, especially in informal discussions, but we really do. Because sometimes when we're just interacting, we just sometimes ask questions. You're just talking to someone and you have to ask a question, which is yes or no question. Like I'm talking to you, then ask you, did you go to school? Yes, there you have to answer with yes or no. Awesome. Then, if I just know how to use question tags, I don't need that yes or no question. So it means I just speak my sentence, or I just go with my sentence, and then at the end of this sentence here, I just add a question tag. So we're gonna see what is a question tag and how do we normally use question tags. Let's go. All right, so first of all, we're gonna ask ourselves, what is a question tag? As you can see here, a question tag is a short question added to the end of a statement. It turns the statement into a mini question to confirm or to seek information. Yes, this is true, and this is where we're going. So look at these examples here. It's a good day, isn't it? It's a good day, isn't it? So this is the same as someone says, is it a good day? So the answer is going to be the same to say that yes or no. So with the question tag, it means I just have a positive statement and then I just add a mini question, which is called a question tag. Like this, it's a question, it's a good day, isn't it? Or you have a problem, haven't you? She can't ride, can she? He likes this job, doesn't he? We made a mistake, didn't we? You see that here? It's just a negative statement or a positive statement. Then I just add a mini question to turn it into a question. All right, so let's get going. So then, how do we normally form the question tag? So we basically rely on auxiliary verbs. It means question tag is made with just auxiliary verbs or modal verbs. So auxiliary verbs, for example, we have here auxiliary verb to be or to have. But also we have modal verbs, which is can, must, could, ought, shall, should, etc. And the helping verb, which is do. All right, so this helping verb do, we just rely on this helping verb when we just have like normal verbs like or do or help, support, go, carry, etc. So we just have to use this helping verb do. All right, so let's get going. Here we just have the rule to follow. Here we just have, when we have here positive statement, so the tag must be negative. As you can see here, positive statement, negative tag. Example here, he is outside, isn't he? You see that he is outside, this is a positive, and the tag must be negative. Like, she knows you, doesn't she? He has the car keys. He has the car keys, hasn't he? They could participate, couldn't they? So it means here, positive statement, tag must be negative, negative. All right. So here we have negative statement. The tag must be positive. This is second law. All right. For example, in this example here, we have he isn't outside. Is he? So he isn't outside is negative. So the tag must be positive. 2. She doesn't know you. Does he? She doesn't know you. Does he? Negative, positive. He hasn't the car keys. Has he? Negative, positive. She hasn't come yet. Has she? Negative, positive. She couldn't participate. Could they? So negative, positive. All right. So let's get going. Then let's come to irregular question tags. So you know that every single time you just have exceptions or irregular that you have just to follow and use them as they are. Like here, when we have I am something, so it means the tag must be aren't. It should be regularly, it should be aren't, but aren't is not acceptable in English, so we have to say aren't, right? So this is irregular, as I said. An example here, I'm your friend, aren't I? So here, I cannot say I'm your friend, aren't I? I would say aren't I, but aren't I, as I said, is not correct in English. So we say, I'm your friend, aren't I? Irregular. There also we have let's, that. So we say, let's, shall we? As in this example here, we say, let's walk instead, shall we? So it means whenever you start with let's, so the tag must be shall we, every single time. Then also when you have orders like sit down, will you? So this is irregular and you have just to master as it is here. There's no any other way that you can say that. So it means you have to say as Englishmen or as English people do. All right. So here you say sit down, will you? Yes. But also when you have like negative, also negative, the order is in negative. So you say don't write anything, will you? Don't write anything, will you? All right. Then here we just have the last part, I can say the last part, which is also more important. Like what we call here intonation. Intonation in question tags is very, very important because that's how we know whether someone is confirming information or is seeking information. So it depends on how someone speaks or how high or low your voice sounds. If your voice sounds high, it means you're seeking information, which is called here rising intonation. And when your voice sounds low, it means you are confirming information. Awesome. So let's come back here. Then we normally distinguish two kinds of intonations. Yes, we normally distinguish two kinds of intonation, which must be underscored in the question tags. So the first one here is rising intonation, which is used especially for seeking information. It means I'm not sure, I'm uncertain, so I just need to know this information. All right, examples here. It's hot outside, isn't it? It means I'm not sure, I'm uncertain, or I'm not certain how the situation is outside or how is the weather outside. So I can say, it's hot outside, isn't it? So there you have to say yes or no. And then also you can say, he can't agree. Can he? He can't agree. Can he? It means I'm not sure, I'm uncertain. So I want you to tell me. So here we just have foreign intonation is for confirming information. It means here the speaker or you are sure about what you say, then you want someone to give you attention or to agree with what you say. For example here, she can help because she's a smart girl, isn't she? Here with foreign intonation, it means my voice will sound low, not high. As for rising intonation is when my voice sounds high because I'm not sure, I'm just seeking information. But here, I'm just confirming information, so it means my voice must sound low. Like, she can help because she's a smart girl, isn't she? All right? So you see that my voice is not the same as before. Here, I just go like straightforward. I said, she can help because she's a smart girl, isn't she? It means I'm sure, and I know that you too, you know that she's smart, she's a smart girl. There too, we can say also, he did a great job, did he? He did a great job, didn't he? So it means I know what I'm saying. It means my voice goes straightforward, not up. She won't come with he. She won't come with he. It means I'm sure my voice does not go up, but it goes straightforward or it goes low. So here the meaning is, here is not a real question. Okay? So you think you write and expect the listener to agree. This is what it means. And then, if maybe from the start you didn't understand or you didn't get what we're talking about, so it means question tags is another way of saying right, okay. So it means if I don't want to say okay, if I don't want to say right, so I have to use question tags. Do you get it? So this is how we just use question tags in English, and mostly in informal discussions. It means when you just have your friend beside you, when you are together with your friend, when you are together with just people whom you think that you don't have to sound more formal, so you also can use question tags. So I just want to thank every one of you who has been together with me from the start up to the end. So thank you very much. And for more information or for just any more things that you really need just to learn in English, please join us at Action College. We're gonna help you out just to be a good English speaker. Thank you very much. Let's catch again in just a following session in English. Thank you very much.
Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi, gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu, gana action.